It's time to harvest some of our limes, Kagzi limes. So there's quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. One has also fallen down. They've grown pretty big this time. So we'll harvest them. We've also got some nice ornamental chilies here growing very well. Third harvest for this. Here's some more. We've already harvested yellow ones here. Tomatoes are coming. Some have already come, which are hanging out. And this has also come. Looks wonderful. So time to cut them. So that's 5 of them. These are pretty big ones. The smaller ones, which were these size, they were already so juicy. So this is even more, going to be even more better. So here's a kale plant also. It's growing pretty well. I've tried growing it in liquid soap containers. There's another one coming here. Small one. So, thank you.